How to prune a rubber plant. If you want to get your plant in a fuller shape, here is how. The best time to prune your plant is spring and summer for faster and better results. When you're pruning your plant, it is best to wear gloves because its sap can be irritating for skin. Before you do anything, you need to prepare a piece of paper towel, spray it with water. We're gonna use it right after we make a cut. Use very sharp and clean pruners. I always spray my tools with rubbing alcohol to make sure I do not introduce any bacteria. Then simply take the stem that needs to be pruned back and cut right above the leaf. You see the leaf right here? So you cut it right above it. You make a fast cut and you cover the cut right away with wet paper towel to stop the sap from leaking and staining the plant and the pot. You let the paper towel dry out, and when it's completely dry, you simply remove it. After pruning a rubber plant, new stems will emerge in a few weeks to a couple of months. It depends on a few factors like temperature, light, and overall health of your plant. Warmer temperatures and bright indirect light will encourage faster growth. If you still have more questions about how to prune your rubber plant, let me know in the comments below.